Hey, what's going on today, YouTube? So, right now, we are on our way to Wheatcraft. We're going to meet Corey there, and he is going to help me put on my Underglow kit. I just got it. You saw in the last video, that's what we did to his. So, yeah, we're just going to get heading over there, and then, meet up with him and get to work. Corey's sitting right next to me in his car, so I'm gonna go in now and get checked in and everything, and they'll pull the car in and we'll get to work. Oh, there he is.
Smells like you're burning oil there, bud.
Oh yeah, I know, I already know him. What was I gonna say? Yeah, it's gonna be really annoying because now the car is wet.
Well, I was thinking about this. It's kind of dangerous, but we can spray the alcohol on it and light it on fire. Shit might get crazy real quick.
I don't know if they'd let us do that. We need an Elon Musk fucking flamethrower. Fucking burn it up.
Yeah, I don't know, man. That's some more sketchy than I did. Well, you definitely got some oil somewhere on it that's nice and hot.
Oh, we'll see it. I don't know how we're gonna get the fucking lights and stuff.
I mean,
something there's gonna be oil all over the bottom of the car, probably.
Well, the thing about the alcohol.
Yeah. Alright, well, yeah, let's go get checked in and then get to work.
Okay.
Alright, so now we're just inspecting and seeing where we can stick these things. Ooh, it's nice and warm right here.
I'd stick one right here. If not here.
Yeah, she's a little wet.
Very nice.
Yep, and then we're thinking about sticking it right to the side skirt there. And then in the back, probably somewhere like right there. So I goofed. So we have two wires going up above the exhaust. So I like heat wrapped this loom to protect it because the exhaust is right here. And yeah, Corey was like, "Hey, there's another wire that has to go over there." I only did one. I was like, "Oh." So now I'm like cutting this apart and completely redoing it. But yeah, it's going pretty well so far. Looks cool. The light, oh, it kind of shines on the exhaust too.
Yeah, RGB exhaust, bro. Yeah.
So, yeah. Yep, now they disappear. Yeah, it sounds really good.
I don't know how it really sounds, because I've always been inside, because there's no throttle cable out there to grab it.
Right, it's like, it reminds me of rally cars, like, like,
Some people say it's got, turbo buffers. Turbo turbo. That's what people say.
yeah, that's what,
That's bad.
but it goes, it's not like a, it's like a,
Well, it does have a dog on it.
yeah.
That's straight.
That was loud. That one was loud. Oh, that sounds like a Supra. Like that one kind of sounded. Well, as you can see, we got them on. They're technically under the car, but Corey, we were using one of his like new cameras, and we set it to time lapse, and none of it recorded. But I mean, if you go back and watch Corey's video or my video on Corey's car, it was the same process, just double-sided sticky tape sticking the lights, and then running the wires. So that's pretty much it. But yeah, there was another issue. So these lights, there's something wrong with the control box, I think, because it's not allowing us to switch colors, and the remote's not connecting. So that's a pretty big bummer. I'm gonna contact their customer support, and they came with a 1-year warranty, so maybe they'll send me a whole new set, or maybe they'll just send a remote. I'm not sure. And let's say they don't do any of that. It was only $40. It was only $40, so like, I don't know. I'm not concerned about losing $40 at all.